Hi there. Here is the Windows 11 Pro installed on my desktop, which is having Asus A68 motherboard, but no TPU chip. It is official ISO file from Microsoft website. Installation will not need regedit tweaks or no third-party scripts or softwares. As you see on the screen, this is my CPU details. It is AMD A6 series APU and I am having just 4GB RAM. It is successfully activated as you see here. Quickly running WinWork command to show you that it is official beta version of Windows 11 Pro. So let's get into simple installation steps. First step is to have USB bootable with Windows 10. Yes, you need Windows 10 only as bootable USB. If you do not already have Windows 10 bootable USB, head to Microsoft website and create a USB bootable media by following simple steps and have your USB installation media ready with Windows 10. I am skipping detailed steps here. It will take time for downloading and having USB ready. Moving to next step. Visit download page of Microsoft Windows 11 ISO and sign in or create your Microsoft account. Once you sign in, scroll down to see download options and select beta version of Windows 11. It is 64-bit version and it is 5GB ISO file. With Win11 ISO and Win10 USB ready, it is just a simple trick now. Go to main folder called Sources on Windows 11 ISO and copy install.vim. Insert USB installation media created for Windows 10. Paste install.vim to source folder of Windows 10 USB as I have already done here. Then take out or delete install.esd from Windows 10 sources folder. There is a catch here. As you see, install.esd is below 4GB, but install.vim from Windows 11 is more than 4GB. So if your USB drive is of FAT32 format, which is usual, you have to convert to NTFS before pasting, just by following command on screen. I have already done it before recording this video, hence I am getting this message. With this, we have modified Windows 10 USB installation media to Windows 11 installations. Before installation of Windows 11, ensure to have a dedicated drive, dedicated partition, preferably 20 to 50GB, as we are installing in conjunction with Windows 10, with the dual boot option. Now, restart your computer and it is usual installation from BIOS. This interface varies from system to system, motherboard to motherboard. All you need to do is boot from your USB device. Select right options in drop down and it will begin setup. You need to select the option I do not have product key, as Windows 11 is a beta version which is not released to market, hence it cannot have any product key. Select the partition carefully. I am selecting dedicated partition and for my convenience I have named it as Win11 already. Installation begins as you see here, wherein you just need to select basic details. System will restart many times during installations, do not worry on that. Good to ensure that your system is connected to internet. When it asks for login, I suggest you to use Microsoft account, but for now I am using offline account. You can enter the device name of your choice. And this is important screen. To be on safer side, ensure to deselect all the settings as it is beta version of Windows 11 we are installing. Windows will update to latest version of Windows 11 beta. I couldn't get option to skip this, but that is fine as it takes up to 20 minutes to complete. I am skipping towards the end of installation. Here you go. First boot of Windows 11 Pro. Appearance is as nice as you see here. When I went to personalize, I got to see that it is not activated. It is because I am with offline account. For activation, go to settings, accounts and log in using your Microsoft account. That's all. It gets activated instantly and it is free of cost as it is beta version but not the product released to market. After signing into Microsoft account, you see the activation status. That's all. We have got Windows 11 Pro on unsupported CPU and motherboard without TPU chip. I am using from few days and got few updates as well from Windows. Overall, really a pleasant experience compared to Windows 10 or any previous Windows versions. We still do not have clarity on why Microsoft is not officially announcing Windows 11 for all, instead of intended loopholes like this for manual installations. But I think it may be to avoid potential noises from old system users quoting Windows 11 is slow or crashing on their systems due to their hardware issues, which in turn disturbs product release to market. That's all I had it for now. Thanks for watching. If you have found the contents useful, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. If you need any further videos on Windows 11, please let me know in the comment section below. This is Tech Devotee signing off. Bye for now.